Guys, before we get started with this week's project, I want to introduce you to a new find, and that is efavormart.com. I'm very excited to introduce this website to you because it's made for us, the DIYers. Not only are their pictures of their product excellent and you can tell all the details in them, they also list the per piece price cost, and that is extremely important when we're planning for our events and our centerpieces. I love the fact that I know exactly how much 4 flowers are going to cost. That just, I'm weird. I love that. Also, I love the fact that they always have a coupon going on. But guess what? You don't even have to wait for a coupon because we have our own. When you type in the coupon code MissPlanIt, you will receive a 10% discount. I just love it. So I want you to check them out. We are using their products. We're integrating them where they fit into our projects. And so give them a check out. See what you find. And don't forget your coupon code. All right, let's get started with this week's project. So this week we received a request from a community member, and her name is Javiette. That is such a gorgeous name. And she writes, "Let me thank you for all your DIY tutorials. They are truly inspirational." Thank you, Javiette. I'm from the British Caribbean island of Anguilla and will be getting married in the summer. Although my island is a gorgeous wedding destination, it is becoming quite expensive to plan my dream wedding. I'm a young bride with expensive taste. Oh, I totally get that. But every penny counts, and I know I can count on MissPlanIt to help me accomplish my dream. Oh, I love this. I'm going for a garden feel, so either of the attached photos will work. I'll let you choose. Oh, well, we chose one. I would like to have some large centerpieces on every table and some smaller ones on other tables. Can you give me some ideas on how to achieve any of these looks? Desperately needing your help, Javiette. Well, Javiette, we are so excited to show you how we recreated this tropical palm tree centerpiece on a budget. It is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are fantastic, and I just can't wait to show you how easy it is to put it together. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Tall Tropical Palm Tree Centerpiece. All right, guys. Let's go. As always, we start with our construction, and with that, we're going to use a 3/4 inch wooden dowel that we cut down to right at about 14 inches, and we're going to use a 6-inch wooden plaque that our 6-inch half dome foam will fit perfectly on top. So we went ahead and painted the dowel a lovely color of green that will match our palm leaves, and we painted the outside rim of our wooden plaque also green so that you would see it would all blend together and you wouldn't see any wood underneath. We're going to attach the foam half dome to our wooden plaque using our wood glue. Don't worry, I have all the links in the description right below this video. So we're going to attach our wood dome. It takes a minute to adhere. After we have placed our wooden dowel into the center of our foam dome, right about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. Once the foam has set, which takes about 10 minutes or so, we're ready to then insert our wooden dowel using our wood glue again. So next we're going to attach our palm leaves to our wooden dowel using our floral wire. So we're going to insert the palm leaf anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch into our foam dome. I do about 4 at a time, and then I go ahead and wrap the palm leaf stems onto the wooden dowel with our floral wire. Continue this pattern until all 16 leaves are attached, and then try your best to make sure that your floral wire is below like the 7-inch mark. That way you have plenty of stem to adjust so that you can flare out the leaves and make them as full as possible. Now that all the stems are attached, it's time for you to adjust your leaves to your desired fullness. Now for the fun stuff. I'm going to separate the foam into 3 quadrants using my fern pick, and this is all about layering. So yes, I'm going to show you step by step how I created it, but be free with it, guys. Trust yourself. You don't have to place your things exactly where I placed them for it to be absolutely gorgeous. So I want you to trust yourself and have fun with it. Well, Javiette, what do you think? It's a tropical beauty. Absolutely love it. And what you can do for the shorter or the smaller centerpieces is just use those same flowers and greenery that we used at the base of this centerpiece and create just a small vessel for it. And there you have it. You can alternate it and it will all be cohesive and it will look stunning, absolutely stunning. I hope you liked this week's episode. It was our absolute pleasure creating it for you. If you would like, go ahead and send us a comment. We love your words of encouragement. It helps to push us right along. If you have a question, also put that in the comment section. It is absolutely me, M.E., that answers your questions and responds to you. So if you have a question or something we can help you with, please put a comment in the comment section. If you would like to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday, just simply click on that little bell in the corner and you will get a personal announcement when the video is up and running. Don't forget, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates account, do it right away. It's absolutely free and you get paid to shop. So it's simple. Go ahead to the link right there in the description, sign up for your Ebates account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases, and you will receive a check in the mail at the end of the month. It's that simple. And don't forget to check out our digital store. We are so excited about all the wonderful products we have on there just to help you. You can either click right there in the corner on the icon or go down to the description to find the link. It is a digital store, which means you don't have to worry about shipping and handling. And as soon as you make your purchase, all of the information is right there ready for you. We love it for our international brides because you don't have to wait to receive your help. Right now, we have 4 products on our digital store. We have our DIY bride wedding planner, and that is for any bride who's planning her own wedding. We walk you through it step by step. You have so much information and so many organizational tools, you won't be able to believe it. Check it out. And then we have the Maid of Honor planner for those of you who are the wonderful Maid of Honors but may not have an actual idea of what that entails. We walk you step by step through it so that the experience can be not only helpful to your bride, but you can actually enjoy it and have a good time. And finally, our last planner is our DIY project planner, and that is for anyone who is planning an event, a baby shower, a quinceañera, a retirement party, and those graduation parties that are all happening right now. It helps you to plan for it, it gives you suggestions, and it walks you step by step for the budgeting. That's important, all about that budget. And then finally, under our dollar deals, we have our PDF flower rose template with a video tutorial link included, and it's all for $1. So go ahead and check all of that out. We are so excited about it. It has been so helpful to so many of our community members, and we hope it'll be helpful to you also. Don't forget, all the links to all the supplies that we use for this project are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and all the information is right there at your fingertips. Also check out efavormart.com. They are an awesome resource for all your DIY needs. We are excited about using their products, and we're excited to share it with you. And don't forget your coupon code MissPlanIt for a 10% discount on your qualified purchases at efavormart.com. Well, guys, we had an awesome time hanging out with you. We hope Javiette loves our tropical palm tree centerpiece. We absolutely adored creating it for her. And always remember, when every penny counts, count on this planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.